From humble roots our dreams arise, beneath your ever-guiding skies. Colonia Central School, bright and true, our hearts and minds belong to you.
You teach us faith, respect, and grace, to serve with love in every place. With knowledge pure, our hands we lend,
to build our world and souls to mend. Hail, Colonia Central School, dear, your light of wisdom we hold near. Excellence with heart we find, rooted deep in heart and mind. Hail, our home where dreams extend. Colonia Central School, our pride, our friend.
with every dawn we pledge anew